I'm Brandi Smith with some tips about what to do if your house flooded. The first step is to file a claim. You need to call your insurance company as soon as possible. The company is going to want to know about the damage, so document as much as you can with photos and videos. The Texas Department of Insurance also recommends you keep a record of everyone you talk to, ask about an advance payment to get repairs started, and ask about living expenses if you can't stay in the home. You should also be there when the adjuster comes out so you can point out all the damage. Now, while the insurance company is working on its response to your claim, you should get multiple bids from contractors so you know if the insurance payout is fair. If it's not, or you got denied, you can always try to negotiate with your insurance company or contact TDI. While you're going through all that, you can make temporary repairs. You will still have to get clearance from your insurance company before anything permanent is done, though. And this part is tricky because after a disaster, scammers try to take advantage of storm victims with contracting scams. Some general rules: don't sign anything before you get an estimate. Don't sign a contract with blank sections. Don't let a contractor try to tell you they'll waive your deductible or work it into the bid. That's illegal. And don't pay the full amount up front. TDI has a lot more about all of this on its website.